It was a calm Sunday, March 27, 1977, but by the end of the day, 583 people would be dead in what remains the deadliest accident in aviation history. Two Boeing 747 jumbo jets, one from KLM and one from Pan Am, collided on a foggy runway at Los Rodeos Airport in Tenerife, Canary Islands. But how did two of the most advanced aircraft of their time, with experienced pilots and ground control, end up crashing into each other? The answer? A chain of errors, miscommunications, and tragic timing, all made worse by thick fog and confusion. Earlier that day, a terrorist bombing at a nearby airport diverted dozens of planes to Tenerife, crowding the small runway with aircraft. Both 747s were parked on the tarmac. But as fog rolled in, visibility dropped to just a few hundred feet. KLM Flight 4805 was cleared to taxi down the runway and wait at the end. Pan Am Flight 1736 was told to follow behind and exit via a taxiway. But due to poor visibility and radio miscommunication, the Pan Am jet missed its turn and was still on the runway. Meanwhile, the KLM pilot, believing he had clearance, started his takeoff. What happened next was pure horror. The KLM jet accelerated and slammed into the Pan Am plane still taxiing ahead. A fireball erupted. The KLM plane disintegrated instantly. The Pan Am jet burned, trapping many passengers inside. In total, 583 people lost their lives, including all on the KLM flight and most on the Pan Am. The crash led to major changes in aviation communication. Terms like takeoff became strictly regulated. Cockpit training emphasized teamwork, not hierarchy. Even today, pilots are trained on the Tenerife crash as a case study in the cost of miscommunication and overconfidence. It wasn't terrorism, mechanical failure, or bad weather that caused the deadliest crash in aviation. It was human error. And for the families of 583 souls, that error still echoes through history. The Tenerife disaster remains a haunting reminder that in aviation, clarity and caution are everything.